Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2013 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.